What's up, y'all? Thank you so much for checking out the video. My name is Devin, the DIY lawn coach. So typically I like to make more instructional style videos, but I'm kind of trying something new. Hopefully you guys like it. So I'm gonna do more of a vlog style video of my week. So I leave later in the week for work. I'm traveling to Rhode Island, and so today is Monday. I just filmed my Memorial Day video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that, got to see that. It was a ton of fun making that. It's a lot of work. I was absolutely exhausted after I got done. We threw down some Freedom fertilizer. We put down Humic 12, RGS. We cut the lawn. It was just a lot of fun making that. So hopefully you guys got to check that out. But so like I said, I'm getting ready to go out of town for a couple days, and typically I like to do my midweek lawn work on Wednesday, but because I'm going out of town, I won't be able to do that. And so I won't get back until Friday. And so the last time I cut was almost 4 or 5 days ago. So I can't let the lawn go that long. So Monday, we got to mow it. So the grass really doesn't need to be mowed, but you know, remember we never want to break that 1/3 rule. So, you know, we want to, knock the grass back a little bit so that when I come back on Friday, the lawn isn't just completely overgrown and we don't try to break that 1/3 rule. So if you saw the video, the Memorial Day video, you noticed I told you we knocked the height down of the lawn. We're currently mowing at 3.5 inches. Typically I mow at 4.5 inches. And the grass, you can tell, is just under a little bit of stress. It just didn't like it, but still really thick. Here in North Carolina, it's been unseasonably cool. I think the high today was 73 degrees. We just got out of a period where we had a bunch of rain, probably got 3 inches of rain, so which is great. I'm happy for that. We'll take the cooler temperatures because before too long it is going to be hot. So I'm not complaining at all. But I think I timed dropping the mower deck down just in time. Again, I did that to try to mitigate some of the fungus that I get in the lawn to see if that maybe helps me throughout the year. So I'm gonna hop on the mower here and give this a quick cut, and then maybe the next time I see you guys, I'll be up in Rhode Island. So, yep. Let's get after it. Let's get mowing.
A few moments later.
Where'd it go? It's been some time. Don't wanna stuck in here all night. Is it true? Is it alright? Who we are when we're alone, chasing fire in the dark. I've been close, was that enough? So I'm counting the floors, not too sure what to find. Waited to scream, but I just cannot hide. And I've fallen so long, still not getting it right. Over and over, just hit me like that. So don't go when the lights are down. I love you, no. Your love gets me high, but it's alright. It gets me high. But it's alright. It gets me high.
All right, y'all, so I made it back. Today's Saturday, and I had a really great trip. I always hate to be away from the family, but sometimes we got work to do. So had a great trip up in Rhode Island. Weather was kind of chilly, actually. It was 50s, 50, 60 degrees, and it rained basically the whole time we were there. Obviously you saw I got to go check a Red Sox game, and that was a lot of fun. I've always wanted to go to Fenway, so that was kind of a bucket list thing for me. So anyway, everything's back, and looks like we got some storms and about another ½ inch of rain, which we did not necessarily need, but we got it anyway. So, you know, I mentioned to you that I like to do my weekday lawn work on Wednesday, and I wasn't able to do that, so I had to bump that up and do that on Monday. And I'm so glad that I did, because, you know, we just put down, you know, the Freedom fertilizer, and the lawn has just jumped out of the ground. The color is fantastic, but it grew quite a bit while I was gone. So I'm gonna have to mow it again, which is fine. It's Saturday. That's what we do on Saturdays. We're gonna mow the grass again. I do want to show you something else that I noticed when I came in yesterday. So here's kind of an overshot of the lawn. You know, while we went away, the Freedom fertilizer has really just made this lawn pop. It just looks fantastic. But like I said, it grew quite a bit, and you can see down in here, it's probably 4.5 inches. So we're gonna have to mow again, which is great. But another thing that's popped up with all this rain are my natural areas. So I've got a lot of weeds coming up in here. So I'm just gonna go mix some non-selective herbicide, maybe some Roundup, put it in my 1 gallon tank, and we're gonna take care of all these weeds, get this natural area kind of cleaned up. Just easier to stay on top of this, but you know, when you're getting this amount of rain, this is what happens. And then we'll come over here and I'll show you, you know, just some debris. You know, big stick right here laying in the ground. So we'll get this all cleaned up and taken care of. As you can see, here's some more just debris that falls out. We, you know, got some storms, but again, if you've been following me, you noticed, you know, we talked about me putting a little PGR down a little too heavy. Well, those spots are kind of coming back. Let me show you what we got going on. I mean, there was a spot right over here that was pretty bad. I mean, it was pretty well injured. But grass still a little wet, so we're gonna let it kind of dry out. But so I guess the lesson in all this, you know, life happens, life gets in the way, but you know, we just got to kind of keep up with our mowing, make sure we're, you know, right now, especially this time of year, we want to be mowing at least twice a week so it doesn't get out of hand. So, you know, weeknight lawn work is what we're doing. So hope you guys liked the video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this format of this kind of vlog style video. I might try to do these a little bit more rather than just the instructional type. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you guys have a great week as well. And can't wait to see you guys in the lawn. My name is Devin, the DIY lawn coach. I'll check at you later.